Lemons are packed with vitamins and nutrients that can provide many positive health benefits for the human body. With that said, you may be wondering, can lemons offer benefits for the lungs? Well, that is exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. As previously mentioned, lemons are loaded with several beneficial nutrients. Natural lemon juice is known to contain vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium, among many other powerful properties that work to strengthen the immune system and ward off infections. This includes those that affect the lungs and respiratory system. Although lemon juice tastes sour and acidic, studies found that it actually has alkaline effects once it's metabolized, which helps keep your body systems functioning at an optimal level. Of course, this includes the lungs, thanks to the anti-inflammatory effects that can come from incorporating more lemons into your diet. This is important because anytime we can reduce inflammation, it can benefit all of the major organs, including the lungs. Ultimately, this helps reduce the risk of obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Not to mention, researchers believe that the high vitamin C content found in lemons can support heart health and reduce the risk of a heart attack or stroke. That is because it is believed to reduce the total amount of bad cholesterol in your blood. This is important because the heart and lungs work together to pump oxygenated blood to all of the tissues, organs, and systems of the body. So with a healthy heart and healthy lungs, the cells within your body can continue to receive the oxygen that is required for survival. These are just a few of the many reasons why you can consider adding more lemons to your diet. However, just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Real quick guys, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well, because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. And if you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com, where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other helpful resources. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.